Hello everybody, welcome. It's Christmas time here at Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World already. And for the first time ever, Magic Kingdom has Christmas decorations outside of just Main Street. So we're gonna walk around the park and we're gonna check them all out. New decorations for the first time. I cannot wait to see these and where they're gonna be at. Along the way, we're gonna check out some rides, maybe catch the parade, and maybe even grab a snack. So come along with us. It's going to be a Merry, Merry Christmas at Magic Kingdom. Well, it is crowded here on Main Street right now because the parade is just about to start. So we're gonna walk down Main Street. I mean, look how beautiful this is, the Christmas tree in the background. I absolutely love the decorations. And as I mentioned, the decorations at Magic Kingdom for the first time ever are not just on the Main Street. They are gonna be all throughout the park, so we're gonna check them all out today. But let's talk about the decorations here on Main Street. This is one of the places where it is uniform decorations all the way down the street. So you've got lots of colorful wreaths hung up on each of the buildings, all the different colorful lights, which is a little bit different than some of the other parks where there's white lighting. This one has white lighting all over the Magic Kingdom buildings, and then it has colorful lighting for all the pops of color with the garland, with the wreaths, and all the decorations. And one of the things I love is the lampposts. These little like Mickey Mouse ear like lampposts things look so cute. And of course, let's talk about the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree at Magic Kingdom, while I don't think it's necessarily the prettiest Christmas tree out of all the Christmas trees, the location of it makes it all the better because it's right there on Main Street. It caps out the end or the beginning of Main Street, depending on which way you're looking. And I don't know if there is a better sight than looking straight down Main Street, seeing that Christmas tree all lit up. And then if you look the other direction, which is the way I'm facing right now, you see Cinderella Castle, which looks awesome. There really isn't a prettier street in the world, I think, at Christmas time than right here. And then it snows during the Christmas parade and different times during the party, which makes it even better. So think about Main Street with snow, with Christmas decorations, and the Christmas tree, Cinderella in the background. I mean, come on. It doesn't get any better than that.
Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, of course, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. Running chills. Listen.
Trolleys, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
Well, we've now made our way to the back of Cinderella Castle here in Fantasyland, and we're getting our first look at some of the new decorations I am excited for. I don't know why they haven't had these decorations in the past. It's always been a complaint of mine that once you leave Main Street, holiday's pretty much over unless you come to the party. But for everybody else, it's pretty much just Main Street or bust. This year, they got them all over the park. Right over here by Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, check it out. They've got a Christmas tree. This is awesome. Check it out. It's got all these little like gems and things on the bottom of it. What? I didn't know it was gonna have all this cool stuff. It even has like gems and things on the tree itself for ornaments. What? This is awesome. Wow, that Christmas tree was so cute. I love it, and I love that they've added all these colorful decorations here, wrapped all around the lights, and it totally works. So this is a new wrapping for this light fixture. All the ones on Main Street have the Mickey or Minnie, and the ones by Seven Dwarfs Mine Train have all these gems on it. What? That is awesome. I love it. I am digging these new decorations. I'm not gonna lie. This is what I think it's been missing for years, and I'm glad to see they've added them. So if that was over there by Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, what's over here by Pooh, I wonder? I want to check it out. Let's see. Oh, here we go. It actually is Pooh. Look. If I go up here, you can see like a little like honey stick there. What? Little bows and stuff. Wow. Oh, check it out. And from this angle, I can actually see a honeybee up there. Look at the entrance. What? They've even decorated the entrance for Winnie the Pooh. Look at this. It's got like a little honeycomb fixture up there. What's that? It looks like a bumblebee with an elephant head. Okay. That was cool. I love it. They have all the decorations for Winnie the Pooh, so even like Winnie the Pooh's queue is decorated for Christmas. There's all these little like presents for Piglet and Tigger and Pooh and all the different characters from the 100 Acre Wood. And the lights everywhere, like this is what we needed. I'm telling you, I love it. I don't know what the honeybee was with the elephant head. Am I a fake fan of Winnie the Pooh? Should I know what that is? I don't know what that was, but I love it. We made our way back to Storybook Circus, and what is this? What's going on here? Check this out. All these like candy cane decorations. I love it. Look at this. This is so festive. I love this. They got these like giant candy canes up here wrapped all on these poles. I mean, this just works so well. I love it that they've added all this. This is what they were really missing. And I love how the trash cans just go with it. I mean, nothing different, but hey, whatever. It works. Look at the Dumbo ride. The entrance, on each side, it's got this little wreath here with a little Dumbo like medallion. Hey, it's cute. Almost looks like a peppermint. Like that is not like expensive. Those little, like putting those little wreaths and stuff with the lights, like that is not an expensive ad. So like, I don't know why they haven't done this before now. It's totally needed. What? There's more up here. Check this out. This whole walkway back here by Storybook Circus. I mean, I don't really come back here very often in this area of the park because I don't have little kids anymore. But they've got all these like light posts and wreaths back here. And I see some Christmas trees up here. I want to check these out. But I mean, there's nobody back here right now, so this is like prime photo op time. I came back here. This is open for Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. And this is where you meet Santa. It's like a special meet and greet for Santa. Of course, he's not here right now because it's not a party night, but you still get to see all this stuff with a lot less people back here. Check it out. They turned all of Tomorrowland blue for Christmas time. Just kidding. Over here in Tomorrowland, look at Club Tinsel. This is a show they have running during the party. Lots of dancing, singing, all sorts of stuff. So you can still look at it when it's not during the party. Now this is my first look at Astro Fizz. This is the replacement for the Cool Ship little kiosk, little drink stand that was here before. Now it's a little bit bigger now. It's got more drinks. It's got more snacks, things you can get here, refills, frozen slushies, popcorn. I think this is an improvement. Yeah, I think this is an upgrade. And they have what everybody's been clamoring for, the Cherry Cola Churro. Now, I have not tried this, but I've heard it's interesting. Now, of course, these decorations are not new. This is none other than the Jingle Cruise. Jungle Cruise transforms into the Jingle Cruise, so there's lots of lights on the actual attraction itself. They changed the sign. But this is the same way every year, so this is not new, but still want to get a look at it. Well, disappointingly not seeing any new decorations or any decorations of any kind over here by Pirates of the Caribbean. I would have liked to have seen some garland wrapped lights with some cool like pirate stuff, like they did for Pooh and Seven Dwarfs. That would have been cool, but there's nothing over here. It's pretty dark. Well, all along Frontierland, they've got decorations. First time ever that they've had them in this section of the park. And I am super happy and impressed with it. I love it. It just gives it the holiday spirit that this place is needed. I mean, like I said, it doesn't cost that much to hang some garland up with some lights. And look how much it adds to this area. And there's lampposts with lights all on both sides as well. So lining the whole Frontierland, and all the way up here I can see Liberty Square also has decorations. Now I will say, second showing of the parade is coming up. And there's plenty of opening spots. And it starts in 1 minute. So if you didn't get a good spot for the first showing of the parade, definitely hang around and go to the second showing, because there's a lot more space, especially over here in Frontierland. But man, just look, this is, yeah, way better. I love all these decorations they added. The lights just really set it off. What do you think? I mean, you agree with me? I mean, it's always been my complaint. And they've addressed it. They nailed it. It looks amazing. Well, that is gonna do it. That's the holidays Magic Kingdom Christmas decorations. They're so good this year. They have really stepped up their game. I like, it's light years better. Like it's just, I mean, it's always been great. And every year I've said, like, I think some of the other parks have better decorations, but this year they've stepped it up so much. I feel like it's hard to say the other parks have better decorations now. I feel like Magic Kingdom has got it going on. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode and this walk around all the new decorations of Magic Kingdom. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Are you glad they've got decorations outside of Main Street now? Do you think it's an improvement? Do you think it's long overdue? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again so much for watching. We are going to get out of here. Until I see you next time, the Noble Way is the easy way. Bye-bye, everybody.